Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to sign out YouTube account in mobile. We start by opening our YouTube profile. After that, click on the top setting icon. Here we will click on the account option and then on Manage Accounts. Next, click on the Google section and then on the account to remove. Now we are going to click on More and then click on Remove Account. Finally, we will confirm the action of removing the account. Removing the account from our device will log out of YouTube, since at the moment there is no other more direct way to do this. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.